Taking a turn tomorrow.
Right, another chance for some severe weather, and still we were able to see the sunshine and the blue skies today, but there's still a little bit of smoke aloft that we're continuing to deal with. Now it will get better into the day on Tuesday and get wiped out as we have storms roll through, and Wednesday will almost feel or even look crystal clear because we haven't had that in nearly a week with such poor air quality throughout last week and even into the weekend. It is now 69 degrees at the Buffalo Airport. Southerly winds, that south wind, keeps areas along the lakeshore, downtown Buffalo likely to be milder in near 70 degrees as we go through the overnight. It dropped down to 63 in Dunkirk. That's likely to go up as we go into the next few hours and into the mid 60s, upper 50s in Bradford. So cool in some spots, about 10 degrees warmer in others, and we'll have the chance for some showers developing as we go throughout the night. It's on the doorstep. You see them near Toronto, crossing through the peninsula and just through Long Point as well. A very narrow area of showers, but a few of those will likely reach the ground. So a few light raindrops into the night. What we're going to watch in tomorrow morning is this complex coming through. And as it approaches, this can give us some rain in the morning, become a little more stabilized into the morning as well, which would give us less of a threat of severe storms into the afternoon, but we'll continue to watch that. Temperatures into the night are just around the 70-degree mark. Tuesday, mid-upper 70s. After the early rain, we'll have the afternoon storms, and also the southwesterly winds will be quite gusty, over 30 or 35 miles an hour. So a strong lake breeze will be in place, and we'll have that slight risk across western New York for strong and severe thunderstorms. Where is our storm index going? Low tornadic threat, although non-zero. Winds, moderate hail is likely too with some of these isolated storms. Flooding potential, if you get storms to go over the same spot, it's called training. You know, think of a train going down a track, one cart after another going over the same spot. We could get some flooding concerns, especially along a lake breeze boundary. So as we go throughout the night tonight, we'll have a few of these spotty showers come through. We'll have thunderstorms into the afternoon. So mid-afternoon into the early evening are the better threat for some stronger storms, and especially south and east of Buffalo. And then into the evening, we'll have a cold front that passes by, and it's going to be a little bit cooler behind it. Some areas of showers even lingering into the day on Wednesday, a little bit of a breeze, and temperatures that will be a bit below what we've seen over the past couple of weeks. We're down to about 70. We'll have temperatures into the 60s in some spots as well, along with some of those a few scattered showers in there. We do look very nice into Thursday. We'll have temperatures in the middle 70s, about 80 degrees for Friday and into the weekend. The next shot of rain comes in by Sunday.